Hi witches, so today we're talking all about the pretty little flower that is chamomile. Now you've probably seen chamomile as a tea or like sleepy time tea at the store, which I super love. So this plant is really accessible if you don't want to grow it in your garden yourself. I want to grow it in my garden because the flowers are just really precious and I love them. And I don't know, I wanted to grow it, and I happened to have some chamomile seeds sent to me. So I am really excited. Some folk names for chamomile are literally chamomile, but it's spelled C-A-M-O-M-Y-L-E. Camomelon, which is spelled ridiculously, and it's also called ground apple, Hirmankin, which I believe is German. It's called Mathan, and also wig plant. So not like wig like hair, wig like the political party, so W-H-I-G. It's also, the planet it is ruled by is the sun, which I think is really evident in the flower. Like if you guys don't know what it looks like, it's like a little, it almost looks like a tiny daisy. So it has a yellow center with white petals. It's just like, I love it, it's so cute. The element it's associated with is water, which I also, as I'm like saying all of this, I'm like, okay, yeah, that actually really makes sense. Like I feel like this plant is very, like it just has the same kind of properties of water. It's very, I don't know if you guys have seen it. It kind of like, when it grows, it can kind of grow in these really beautiful, unique ways that remind me of like the flow of water. But this is really great for any spell. The powers it has, I guess, are money, sleep, love, and purification. So not like a huge range of magical powers, but kind of like in comparison to like rosemary or lavender, but it's still really, really great. It is used for attracting money, for ensuring luck in gambling. It's great for sleep and meditation incenses, as well as teas. It's good for infusing love, it's good for purification and protective jar spells, as well as anti-hexing rituals. So it's really, really great for like getting out negativity, because it's like a sunshine plant, basically. So with that, I think that chamomile is really great for anti-anxiety rituals, or getting into the headspace to start meditating and getting into that state of mind of like relaxation. So if you're struggling with that, definitely check out chamomile. Being open to the universe like that, which I feel like it kind of does, it sedates you, allows your psyche to kind of relax a little bit. Being that open to the universe can allow messages to flow a little bit easier, and for you to speak to your deities. So definitely recommend getting some chamomile tea at the least, you know. They sell it everywhere. Try to look for maybe a local brand. It's also really good for bees, so keep that in mind. It's another reason I'm growing it. But yeah, chamomile is a really like overlooked herb, I think, but it's really, really great for keeping your self-care up. So definitely recommend checking that one out. Bye guys.